Hi, Jeff Spira here again, and I'd like to show you Chris Falty's Hudson skiff that he's in the process of building. I think he's 3 or 4 months into it. It's got the outside all done. It looks really nice. Looks like he's doing a great job, and he has a kind of a unique way to store it in his garage, and I thought you guys would get a kick out of how he's doing that and how he's going to store it up high in his garage. He built a lifting system, so I think that might work out well for a lot of you guys that have limited space to store your boat. So it'd be easy to lower down onto a car, for instance, or a pickup truck or whatever. So anyway, have a look and tell me what you think.
Okay, almost 4 months in the making, and we just turned it over this morning, and now it's time to finish the insides. We weighed it at 188 pounds, so Matt's going to hook up the ropes so we could lift it up to the ceiling. So we still got to put the gunnel on and all the finish work. I'm going to put cedar strips down on for the deck. So he's just hooking it up to those, and we have like a block and tackle kind of system. There's 4 pulleys there, so each corner comes up over to the main. It's kind of hard to see. And it switches to a cable all the way across the garage to a single pulley down to a brake winch. So Matt's going to start cranking it up. How hard is that to crank up, Matt?
Not bad.
Okay, and here it goes. So it goes right on up to the ceiling, and we have some chains that we hook to the carabiners just in case something happens with the brake winch. It will hold it in place, and that's where she sleeps. She's been up there for the last almost 4 months upside down, and now she's right side up. Time to finish the inside. So, all right. Thank you, Matt.
So, how'd you like that? Please comment below, like, share, and subscribe, and all that stuff. And if you'd like to see the free study prints for the Hudson skiff, I'll put the link right down below here so you can download them and take a look at how it's built and decide whether you want to build one as well. Also join the Facebook group if you get a chance, and feel free to write me if you need to ask any questions or anything like that. So thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon.